Now, if I had to build a six-figure KDP business again, I would only focus on these 5 niches. And the reason I say that is because I've already made the mistakes most beginners make. When I first started KDP, I was starting from zero, no experience, no books, just trying different ideas, learning what worked, and figuring things out along the way. Over the years, I've published over 2,000 books, built a KDP business that generated 6 figures in royalties, and learned a lot about what actually matters when it comes to creating books that can continue selling. And if I had to start completely over today, I would not waste time chasing every new trend. I would not try to publish in every niche. I would focus on just a few proven types of books that give me the best combination of demand, scalability, and the ability to create consistently. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 KDP niches I would choose if I had to build my business from scratch again. These are the niches that I believe give beginners the best opportunity to learn the process, build a catalog, and create a foundation they can actually scale. So let's get into it. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is going to be called the mystery pixel color by number. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've covered this niche numerous times in the past, and for good reason. And that's mainly because there is just so much demand, so much potential that this is always going to have a top spot in my list. You can see the very first book here in the #1 ranking is a bestseller. It is a KDP book. And then if you look at the royalty, $16,000 to almost $25,000, and that is per month in passive royalties. So that means this is after Amazon fees, after printing costs, and all of that stuff. This is the income that is generated by this book. And it's not just this book. You have this one right here in the #4 ranking, $1,300 to over $2,000 per month. And then going through the first page, another one right here. This is a book that I haven't seen before, and already $1,000 to over $1,500 per month in royalties for a fairly new book. You have this book right here, about $800 per month. This one right here, about $400 per month, a couple $100 per month. So a lot of demand here because all of these books are consistently selling. You do have the potential here for a bestseller. You do have a potential here for 4 figures per month, as we can see with numerous books. This one right here, $1,000 per month. I haven't seen this book, so this is a fairly new book. And just a ton of examples here of books that are doing extremely well. Now, if we check out the bestseller in this niche, to take a look at the interior. So this one is a palette page where the customer can test out the colors. But when we actually get to the interior of the book, this is going to be the palette or the key. So as you can see, colors right here corresponding with numbers or letters. And then when we get to the actual grid, you can see lightly that there are numbers or letters inside of this grid, which corresponds with the colors right here. Very easy, very simple concept. Once it's all filled in, colored in, it reveals a hidden illustration, a hidden picture. This is very, very fun for the customer. There are variations here. As you can see, these are squares and these are circles. There's also hexagons, diamonds, and lots of different shapes that can be created. But as you can see, very simple in concept. Once you have a tool that can actually create this, this becomes very, very easy to do. And this is the tool that I use for these pixel color by number books. It's very simple to do. All I do is upload images that I find on, let's say, Creative Fabrica, or that I generate on AI. I drag them into here. I pick my settings, and then it's going to go ahead and generate the corresponding pages for this book. So as you can see, some flowers, landscape, and does very well with certain types of images. But the great thing about this tool is if you go up here to paint, you can go ahead and choose a corresponding color here. So for example, I want to fix up these blocks right here. I just want to make them white, choose number 12, and I can very much easily fix these. Oops, I made a mistake right there. Look for that color. So that's purple number 8, I believe, and fix that in. So it's very easy to go ahead and tweak the images so that they are perfect. If I wanted to add a smiley face on this astronaut, I could easily do that like this. And then down here, if I click on number, that's the grid. And then here is the palette. So everything's already complete, easily downloadable. And then all I have to do is just arrange them on a program like Canva to put all of these pages together. If you want to check out this tool, I'll leave it linked down below. The next niche is called the monochrome coloring book. Now, this is just a very simple concept. It's a black and white book, as you can see with the covers here, all purely black and white. But the reason I like this niche is because there's a lot of sub niches here that are doing very, very well. So if I show you this one right here is a cozy autumn monochrome coloring book. It's already selling. If I go down here, you're going to see this one is a gothic and botanical monochrome coloring book, $2,500 per month. Monochrome botanicals, $1,800 per month. A trippy cute horror monochrome coloring book does make some sales. Kawaii monochrome horror coloring book, a couple $100s per month. A swear word monochrome coloring book, $1,300 per month. An animals monochrome coloring book. As you can see, lots of sub niches, a lot of ways to create multiple books inside of this niche and make multiple streams of passive income, all coming from just this niche. This one, a stress relief type. This one, landscapes, naughty pets, cozy escapes. And this one right here, Scandinavian monochrome, which is something that I would never have thought of. This one, $1,500 per month. Now to show you just how simple this coloring book is. So this one, 45 designs, so 45 illustrations. And once you get the hang of how to create this book, it becomes very, very easy. I use AI prompts to actually create these pages. So as you can see here, you have your left-hand image and you'll see marks inside of these outlines. And wherever the mark is, for example, an X, color it in. And then once complete, you get this picture on the right. And it's actually not that difficult to create with AI. I've shown this in the past on my channel if you want to go ahead and watch that. But here are some examples of this book. So a very, very cool concept. It is gaining steam and momentum right now in the world of KDP. The next niche is going to be storybooks for kids. Now this one is the 5-minute stories for kids, but they're all just based off of short stories. And you're going to notice that this niche is dominated by bigger publishers. And one of the reasons why I would focus on this is because if I get lucky, there's a ton of demand in this niche. And if you look at the bestseller right here, this is a 378 ranking. And so you can see over 300 sales per day. That's over 10,000 sales per month. If this was a KDP book, it would be making anywhere from $57,000 to over $85,000 per month. And that is just from one book. Now you can see there is a KDP book right here, independently published. This one, still very decent, $1,000 to over $1,300 per month. Here is a bestseller right here. And just looking at the bestsellers ranks for these books, they are absolutely insane. And so there's a lot of demand here. I would definitely focus one of my books inside of this niche because I think it is worth the risk. Definitely can try to find a sub niche that's a little bit less competitive. Here's another one, KDP book, couple $100s per month. So if we take a look at an example, so this is the 5 Minutes to Dreamland Dinosaur Stories. And it's just a couple of pages of illustrations, very little text, just a very short story. And then you get onto your next chapter and just the same thing over and over again. This can be created with AI. And there are tools that can actually help you create this book from scratch so that you don't actually have to design anything, you don't have to illustrate anything, and you don't have to actually write anything by yourself. Now, this is the tool that I use to create my storybooks. It's called Ohanashi AI Gen, and I just did a sample here for you. This one is called the Wobbly Whoopie Doo. Now, I had AI just create this and suggest everything for me. I didn't actually write the cover concept or anything, but this is going to be the cover that I can use for the book. Also can generate a back cover. And then the story title was created by AI. I didn't actually insert any of my ideas for this example, but 5 chapters here. Here's page 1. You can see the picture concept right here, the model that it uses, the art style that it uses. I can change it and I can regenerate these, even create multiple variations. But as you can see, it does create the illustration, also the story itself, and does that for every page. And all I have to do is generate the image for this page. And as you can see, it did it all for me. And all I really have to do is make sure that the direction, the story is what I like, make sure the illustrations is exactly what I'm looking for. Now, if you want to go ahead and try this out for yourself, I'll leave the link to this tool down below. Now, the next niche is called the vision board book. These books become super popular at the start of every year when there's a ton of people doing their vision boards, trying to manifest, trying to set their goals and their dreams for the coming year. And basically what these books are is just a book filled with illustrations, pictures, and clip art of different things that the customer can cut out for their vision board. Now, as you can see, here's an example of a KDP book. This is titled 2027 Vision Board Clip Art Book. You could literally create the exact same book and just rename it 2028. But as you can see here, 27,000 ranking, $5,000 per month from basically a compilation of clip art and pictures inside of this book. And with AI, you can literally create every single clip art here, so you don't have to worry about royalty-free stuff. Here's another one right here, over $2,000 per month. And this is a 2026 vision board clip art book. And here's another one, over $5,000 per month, a vision board clip art book for teens. So there are some sub niches inside of this vision board book. You can direct them towards women, towards men, towards business, towards traveling, towards lots of different ways. So you can create multiple books inside of this niche, $1,000 per month. And then a few more examples here, $1,000 per month, positive affirmations. This one for women, $1,300 per month. Now, to give you an idea of what's inside of this book. So as you can see, these are just clip art that the customer can cut out and paste onto their vision board. Here's some jewelry. Here are some travel images, and so on and so forth. So just a bunch of creating these images, these text, quotes, and pretty much anything that you can think of that would go well with a vision board. Now, niche number 5, the last niche that I would focus on to create a 6-figure KDP business again is going to be just a standard coloring book. I would focus on this one, the Hygge coloring book niche, because there's a lot of different ways to create these books, lots of sub niches, but there's a ton of demand with this Hygge coloring book niche, also known as the cute and cozy coloring book niche. And as you can see, there are already bestsellers inside of this niche. Granted, they are from huge KDP publishers, but still they're bringing in eyeballs inside of this niche. Here's one right here, $600 per month. I mean, okay, look at this bestseller. I mean, look at the royalties right here, just insane. This one right here, look at the royalties right there, just insane. Here's another one right here, bestseller. Basically a ton of books, ton of demand, a lot of potential, a lot of people buying these books. So obviously you do want to create coloring books. This one, $4,500 per month. This one right here, $24,000 per month. So some ideas here. This one is a Hygge Coastal Cute and Comfy coloring book. And as you can see, the interiors of this page, just some coastal scenes. Definitely this one was drawn by hand. This is an actual illustrator. However, you can create these with AI. Here's another example. This is called Forest Friends Hygge coloring book. And as you can see, more simple right here. Just a standard type of coloring book. This can totally be made with AI these days. And if I had to guess myself, I would say that this could have been made with AI, or at least it's becoming hard to distinguish what is AI and what is not. But looking at this image right here, I would say this was definitely created with AI. But once again, it doesn't really matter if your customers are happy. Another idea here is to work on landscapes. And so this one's a little bit different, very thick lines, very simple. Another idea that could do very well inside of this niche. So those are the 5 niches I would personally focus on if I had to rebuild my KDP business from zero today. Let me know in the comments below which one of these niches you want me to go deeper into and create a full video on. And if you're interested in the tools that I mentioned throughout this video that can help you create some of these books, I'll leave those linked in the description below. Also, if you're trying to build your own KDP business and you want a step-by-step roadmap, make sure to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It'll walk you through the entire process from finding niches, creating books, and publishing on Amazon. You'll find that linked in the description as well. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.